Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of calm and vitality, feeling as though every part of you is in perfect balance. Now, what if I told you that the key to achieving this harmony lies in the very cup you start your day with? In our everyday tea or coffee, there's a hidden potential for transformation, one that extends beyond simple energy or warmth. By adding just a few carefully chosen ingredients, you can create a morning ritual that not only enhances your physical health, but also brings a sense of spiritual connection and peace. What if your first sip could nourish your body and elevate your spirit? This journey takes inspiration from Buddhist and Zen teachings, where even the smallest acts hold deeper meaning. Together, we'll explore 7 powerful ingredients that can turn your tea or coffee into a mindful ritual, cultivating health, harmony, and peace from within. Join me, and let's uncover how these simple additions can make each morning a step toward wellness and balance. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the power of simplicity in caring for our health. But as Buddhist and Zen philosophy teach us, true wellness often lies in embracing nature's gifts with gratitude and intention. Health isn't just about addressing symptoms, it's about honoring the balance between body, mind, and spirit. In this journey toward better health, we're focusing on ingredients that are not only natural and accessible, but also deeply aligned with the body's needs. Each one of these ingredients carries its own unique energy, offering gentle, lasting benefits that nourish from within. And as we add them to our tea or coffee, we're doing more than boosting immunity or enhancing digestion. We're engaging in a mindful practice, honoring the wisdom of ancient traditions. Through this ritual, inspired by Buddhist simplicity and Zen balance, we'll see that wellness is a continuous, gentle journey, a daily act of mindfulness and appreciation for the present moment. As we move through each ingredient, let's remember to approach this process as more than just a health upgrade. It's a way of grounding ourselves, creating a moment of peace that carries us through the day. Ingredient 1: ginger. Our journey begins with a root that's been celebrated across cultures and centuries: ginger. Imagine yourself holding a piece of fresh ginger in your hands, its golden, earthy tones exuding a warm, slightly spicy aroma. As you slice or grate it, you release that unmistakable fragrance, an invitation to wake up the senses and ground yourself in the present moment. In terms of health, ginger is often called nature's gentle warrior. This root is packed with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help to relieve tension, reduce inflammation, and even aid digestion. For centuries, ginger has been cherished as a remedy for everything from nausea to joint pain. Its fiery warmth boosts immunity, supports healthy circulation, and guards against common ailments, especially during the colder seasons. In Buddhism, ginger's qualities echo the concept of upaya, or skillful means. This teaching invites us to adapt to life's challenges with resilience and flexibility. Ginger, with its grounded warmth and strength, mirrors this principle. It's a symbol of endurance and adaptability, reminding us that just as ginger enhances our physical resilience, so can we cultivate inner resilience in the face of daily life's demands. Imagine adding a small piece of this root to your morning tea or coffee, letting it steep as it releases its vibrant warmth into your cup. As you sip, feel the warmth traveling through your body, a reminder that you too can carry warmth and strength within you. Let this act be a form of mindful practice, a small yet powerful way to embody resilience, groundedness, and presence in each sip. Adding ginger isn't just about enhancing your health, it's about welcoming the spirit of adaptability, resilience, and warmth into your life. As you breathe in the aroma, think of it as a moment of connection, a gentle reminder that with each sip, you are nurturing not just your body, but your spirit. Ingredient 2: turmeric. Vibrant yellow spice that has been cherished in Ayurvedic and Buddhist traditions for centuries. Turmeric. Picture its rich, golden color, like a small burst of sunlight captured in powder form. As you add a pinch to your tea or coffee, imagine the warmth it brings, an earthy aroma rising up, grounding and centering you. Turmeric is well known for its healing properties. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It helps reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and even support brain health. This humble spice used in countless healing remedies, works quietly to cleanse the body, improve immunity, and enhance overall vitality. By adding turmeric to your cup, you're inviting a gentle yet powerful force of healing, one that aligns with the natural rhythms of your body. In Buddhist and Zen philosophy, turmeric reflects the concept of equanimity. Just as turmeric balances the body, bringing warmth and grounding, the practice of equanimity teaches us to find a place of calm in the midst of life's turbulence. By incorporating turmeric into your daily ritual, you're embracing a sense of balance and peace, inviting tranquility into your day, sip by sip. As you stir turmeric into your drink, allow this simple action to be a mindful ritual. Watch the color change as it blends, becoming a rich golden hue. With each sip, feel the grounding warmth that turmeric provides, a gentle reminder of balance, harmony, and resilience. It's as if the sun itself has infused your drink with its golden light, offering warmth and healing with every taste. This daily ritual is more than just a health benefit, it's a connection to ancient wisdom. Each time you drink this golden tea or coffee, you're practicing mindfulness, grounding yourself in a sense of calm and balance that nourishes both body and spirit. In this small act, you're not just consuming a spice, you're embracing a deeper awareness and inviting tranquility into your life. Ingredient 3. Cinnamon. The third ingredient on our journey is one that brings a comforting warmth and subtle sweetness: cinnamon. Picture its rich, deep brown color and the sweet, spicy aroma that fills the air when you add just a small pinch to your tea or coffee. As the warmth of cinnamon mingles with your drink, you might feel a cozy sensation, a reminder of simpler, comforting times. Cinnamon has been treasured in traditional medicine for its remarkable health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, which protect the body from free radicals and slow down the aging process. Cinnamon is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to ease joint pain and discomfort. Moreover, it supports healthy blood sugar levels, boosts circulation, and even enhances cognitive function, making it a powerhouse addition to your daily routine. In the light of Buddhist teachings, cinnamon symbolizes inner harmony. It represents the warmth we cultivate within ourselves and the compassion we extend to others. In Zen philosophy, balance and harmony are central to finding peace, and cinnamon's gentle warmth reminds us to find balance within ourselves and extend it outward. Just as cinnamon harmonizes the flavors in your drink, this practice invites you to bring balance into your life, blending strength with kindness. As you stir cinnamon into your cup, take a moment to breathe deeply. Let the aroma fill your senses and allow yourself to savor this quiet moment. Each sip becomes an opportunity to center yourself, to connect with the warmth and harmony that cinnamon symbolizes. This is more than a healthful addition. It's an act of mindfulness, a small ritual that brings calm and balance to your morning routine. Drinking cinnamon-spiced tea or coffee isn't just about physical benefits. It's about cultivating a sense of harmony and grounding within. It's a gentle reminder that health and well-being come not just from what we consume, but from how we engage with it, with presence, intention, and gratitude. Each sip becomes a small yet profound step toward inner peace and well-being. Ingredient 4. Cardamom. Next, we turn to an ingredient that is both exotic and comforting: cardamom. Imagine holding a pod of cardamom in your hand, its aroma subtly sweet and invigorating, with a hint of spice that awakens the senses. As you crush it lightly, releasing its warm, fragrant oils, the scent fills the air, adding a touch of mystique to your cup of tea or coffee. Cardamom is known for its ability to uplift both the body and the spirit. In traditional medicine, it's used to support digestion, soothe the respiratory system, and even freshen the breath. Packed with antioxidants, cardamom helps cleanse toxins from the body, supports healthy blood pressure, and can even boost metabolism. Its calming properties also help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a wonderful addition to your morning ritual for both physical and mental clarity. Spiritually, cardamom embodies the concept of mindful awakening. In Buddhist philosophy, there is the idea of sati, or mindfulness, being fully present in each moment. Cardamom with its captivating aroma and energizing warmth, encourages this awareness. It's a spice that engages the senses and invites us to pause, to savor, and to awaken to the present moment. As you add cardamom to your drink, imagine it as an invitation to start the day with intention and clarity. Let each sip remind you to approach life with a sense of curiosity and mindfulness. This small act becomes a sacred ritual, grounding you in the here and now. When you taste the gentle warmth of cardamom, let it be a cue to return to your breath, to connect with the present, and to carry this mindfulness into your day. Adding cardamom to your tea or coffee is more than just a flavor boost. It's an act of presence. With each sip, you're not only nourishing your body, but also nurturing a deeper awareness of the present. This simple spice encourages you to awaken fully to each moment, transforming your morning cup into a mindful practice that nourishes both body and soul. Ingredient 5, cloves. Our next ingredient brings a distinct aromatic warmth that's both grounding and uplifting: cloves. Imagine holding a few cloves in your hand, their small dark brown buds giving off a rich, spicy aroma that is earthy yet invigorating. As you add them to your tea or coffee, their scent rises, filling the space around you, almost like a fragrant meditation in itself. Cloves have long been prized for their potent health benefits. They are rich in eugenol, a natural compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antioxidant properties. Cloves support oral health, soothe digestive issues, and help relieve aches and pains, offering a comforting warmth that flows from the body's core. They're also known to boost immunity and fight harmful bacteria, making them a powerful addition to any health ritual. In Buddhist teachings, cloves represent protection and purity. Just as cloves help purify the body and guard against ailments, they invite us to cleanse our minds and protect our inner peace. Buddhism speaks of guarding the mind against distractions and negative thoughts, cultivating an inner sanctuary of calm and clarity. By adding cloves to your drink, you're not just boosting your immunity, you're creating a small ritual of inner protection, a reminder to guard your well-being from within. As you stir cloves into your cup, take a moment to breathe in their aroma deeply. Feel the warmth and let it center you, grounding your awareness in the present. Each sip becomes a moment of stillness, a reminder of the strength that comes from within. This simple act of drinking clove-infused tea or coffee becomes a sacred practice, connecting you to a sense of purity and protection. Drinking cloves isn't just about physical health, it's a way to nurture your inner sanctuary. Each sip invites you to guard your peace, to create a boundary that protects your spirit from negativity and distraction. With each taste, let yourself be reminded of the power of clarity, protection, and mindfulness. This small ritual is a shield for both body and soul, a reminder that true health is rooted in both physical and spiritual well-being. Ingredient 6, black pepper. Our journey continues with an ingredient that's small but powerful: black pepper. Imagine freshly grinding peppercorns, releasing a sharp, warm aroma that stimulates the senses and adds a hint of spice to your drink. Black pepper may seem ordinary, but this common spice is rich in hidden potential, bringing a burst of energy and warmth to your tea or coffee. Black pepper has been celebrated for centuries as a healing spice. It contains a compound called piperine, known to improve digestion, boost metabolism, and enhance nutrient absorption. It helps the body to better absorb the benefits of the other ingredients, amplifying their effects. Black pepper is also known to support respiratory health and strengthen the immune system, making it a tiny powerhouse in your wellness routine. In Zen philosophy, black pepper represents awakening and clarity. Just as black pepper sharpens flavors, it sharpens our awareness, bringing focus and presence to each moment. In Buddhist teachings, there is the concept of samasati, or right mindfulness, which means seeing things as they truly are without distraction. Black pepper's subtle heat reminds us of this clarity, the ability to see through life's complexities and stay grounded in what's essential. As you stir black pepper into your drink, allow yourself to savor this moment of sharpness and clarity. Each sip becomes a reminder to approach life with a clear mind and an open heart. Let the warmth of the pepper awaken you, both physically and spiritually, helping you to see the day ahead with fresh eyes. In this small, mindful act, black pepper transforms your drink into a ritual of clarity and focus. Adding black pepper to your tea or coffee isn't just a health choice. It's a reminder to stay sharp, present, and aware. With each sip, you're not only benefiting your body, but also nurturing your spirit, grounding yourself in clarity. This small ritual is a way of awakening, a mindful practice that sharpens your awareness and brings both body and soul into harmony. Ingredient 7. Honey. Our last ingredient brings a touch of natural sweetness and warmth to our cup. Honey. Imagine the golden thick liquid as it drips slowly from a spoon, catching the light and reflecting hues of amber and sunshine. Honey has a soothing, gentle aroma, and its sweetness balances the flavors of the other ingredients, creating harmony in every sip. Honey has been celebrated for millennia as both food and medicine. Rich in antioxidants, honey helps to combat free radicals in the body, slowing down the aging process and promoting radiant skin. It's a natural antibacterial agent, supporting immunity and soothing sore throats. Honey also aids in digestion, boosts energy, and even has a calming effect on the mind, making it a perfect addition to your daily wellness routine. In Buddhist philosophy, honey represents compassion and nourishment. Just as honey soothes and nourishes the body, compassion soothes and nourishes the soul. In the teachings of the Buddha, compassion is a fundamental practice, a way of being that enriches our lives and the lives of others. By adding honey to your tea or coffee, you are bringing sweetness and kindness into your day, a gentle reminder to be compassionate with yourself and others. As you stir honey into your drink, take a moment to reflect on the sweetness it brings. Let this act of adding honey be a mindful ritual, a way of cultivating warmth and kindness within yourself. Each sip becomes a practice of self-compassion, a small but meaningful way to remind yourself that health is not just about the body, but about nurturing the heart as well. Drinking honey-infused tea or coffee is more than a physical boost. It's a spiritual reminder to carry sweetness and compassion into your day. Each taste is a gentle nudge to be kind to yourself and to others, to embrace life with warmth and understanding. This small ritual, infused with the sweetness of honey, becomes a sacred act of kindness, nourishing both body and soul. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on the power of these 7 ingredients: ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, and honey. Each of them brings unique health benefits, from reducing inflammation and boosting immunity to enhancing digestion and calming the mind. Together, they create a blend that not only nourishes your body, but also cultivates a deep sense of mindfulness, resilience, and compassion. Imagine starting each morning with this nourishing ritual, a few simple steps that ground you and prepare you for the day ahead. By incorporating these ingredients into your tea or coffee, you're not only making a healthy choice, but also creating a small moment of reflection, an invitation to approach life with balance, clarity, and inner warmth. In the teachings of Buddhism and Zen, life is often seen as a series of simple, mindful acts. Health, in this perspective, isn't just about the absence of illness. It's about cultivating harmony between body, mind, and spirit. By adding these natural ingredients to your daily drink, you're honoring this harmony, grounding yourself in a ritual that is both healing and spiritually nourishing. Remember, each sip is more than just a boost to your immune system or digestion. It's a moment to connect with yourself, to cultivate gratitude for the small things, and to remind yourself of the balance within. Approach this ritual as an act of self-care, of kindness toward your body and mind. Let it be a daily practice that centers you, reminding you of your own resilience, compassion, and strength. So, as you prepare your next cup of tea or coffee, invite these 7 ingredients into your day. Let each one remind you of a deeper truth, that health is a journey, one filled with small, mindful choices that guide us toward balance, peace, and well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you'd like to learn more about mindful health practices inspired by ancient wisdom, consider subscribing and exploring more of these practices with us. May each sip bring you closer to harmony, wellness, and the peace within.